Okay. The human body contains over 37.2 trillion cells. Cells live, grow, divide, and die, and lead pretty much a life as any other. Sometimes cells mutate and turn into very nasty things, such as cancer. Cancer cells are very similar to healthy cells, except they do not die, they don't stop growing, and they don't stop dividing. These characteristics make them incredibly difficult to deal with. So current day therapies are not as effective as we'd like them to be, and we also have a big problem with side effects. This is why a lot of researchers, including myself, are focusing on making cancer treatment better targeting and more effective. So my research focuses on the synthesis of materials that are called meta-organic frameworks, and they can be used as drug carriers. What makes them different to similar types of particles used for drug carriers is that they bridge the gap between inorganic and organic chemistry. They are made out of metal clusters, which is the inorganic component, and organic linkers, which are carbon-based molecules. The way they act is that they have a sponge-like behavior. So what happens is they take on the drug either within their pores or on their surfaces, and they're injected into your bloodstream as seen in this little picture here. So they travel really happily around your body, blah blah blah, all together, and they get to your cancer cells and break down and release the drug. That breakdown could be triggered by a pH difference or by another environment difference. So once they break down and release the drug, the cancer cells die, and then you have the individual components floating around your body. But because they're quite biocompatible and easily expelled out, that means they're non-toxic to healthy cells, which gives them that advantage to other similar nanoparticles used for drug delivery. Another great thing about these materials is that because they're made of a metal cluster and an organic linker, there's basically a lot of choice. You can pick like any metal cluster and any organic linker, which makes them great for tailoring for any application, which then makes them a great opportunity for further biomedical research. Thank you very much.